Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common washing machine problem. We're focusing on the Hotpoint HTW240ASKWS. It stops mid-cycle. This can be frustrating. Let's get into some troubleshooting steps. First, check the power supply. Is the machine plugged in securely? Check the circuit breaker. Make sure it hasn't tripped. A tripped breaker can interrupt the cycle. Reset the breaker if needed. Next, examine the water supply. Are the hot and cold water taps fully open? Low water pressure can cause the machine to stop. The machine might not fill properly. This triggers a stop. Now, let's inspect the water inlet hoses. Are they kinked or blocked? Kinks restrict water flow. Blockages prevent water from entering. Remove any kinks. Clean the hoses if necessary. Check the water inlet valve screens. These small screens catch debris. They can become clogged over time. Clogged screens reduce water flow. Turn off the water supply. Disconnect the hoses. Clean the screens with a brush. Reconnect the hoses carefully. Another common issue is the drain hose. Is it properly positioned? Make sure it's not too low to the ground. It also shouldn't be pushed too far into the drain pipe. This can cause siphoning. Siphoning pulls water out during the wash cycle. The washer thinks it's empty. It then stops. Check for clogs in the drain hose. Disconnect the hose. Inspect it for obstructions. Remove any debris. Run water through it to clear any remaining clogs. Now let's consider the lid switch. The lid switch tells the machine the lid is closed. If the switch is faulty, the machine will stop. It thinks the lid is open. Inspect the lid switch. Look for damage. Test the switch with a multimeter. If it's faulty, replace it. Moving on to the motor and belt. A worn belt can slip. This can cause the machine to stop. Inspect the belt for wear and tear. Look for cracks or fraying. Replace the belt if needed. A faulty motor can also cause problems. If the motor is overheating, it may stop. This is a more complex repair. You might need professional assistance. Finally, think about unbalanced loads. An unbalanced load can cause the machine to shake violently. This triggers a safety mechanism. The machine stops to prevent damage. Redistribute the clothes in the drum. Make sure the load is balanced. Try running the cycle again. These troubleshooting steps should help you diagnose and fix the problem. Remember to always disconnect the power before working on your washing machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Consider supporting the channel through donations or becoming a member. Your support helps us create more helpful content.